is what my low beams look like. And those are my high beams. Can you tell a difference? Low beams again. High beams. Alright, this is what we got today. Here's a package. They're Boslla headlights. We're going to be installing them because the stock headlights are absolute garbage. Turn them on, you can barely tell that they're even high beams. So let me open these up for you. There you go. Yeah, we're going to be opening these right up for you, there, bud. Apparently, they call them world's minimal bullet LED. Oh, this is fantastic. We get decals that we can put on there. This is the instruction manual. You know what we do with these? It's plug and play there, sunshine. I don't think we need that. Yeah, I've been around the block a couple times. I know what I'm doing. We're gonna have to see if they have that polarity issue that we usually have with the LED lights. Like so often I get these, they come from wherever and they've been manufactured backwards, but in this case the clip only looks like it goes one way, so hopefully there's not an issue, otherwise we're gonna have an issue. 10, a little 7mm. Found the 7mm, the only one in the entire shop, I'm sure. The headlight is actually out right now. This came off as I pulled it out, but there's already a seal on there, so I won't need to reuse that. Yeah, that tab doesn't want to click in, but I'm gonna turn it on and we'll see if it's working or not. So that turns on right away. Yeah, those will work, and that was pretty easy in spite of the fact that this whole fascia assembly is kind of BS, but I'm going to try and see if I can get this to snap into place. Yep, it went. This is the first set of LEDs I've ever installed where the clip that clips into the stock harness actually seated properly. Most of the time I've got to use duct tape because they're inverted improperly or something weird. So good job, Boslla. This is actually a pretty good design. So this method I've done with the stock ones, but these aftermarket ones are pretty tight. So I'm just gonna pull away the bumper here and actually access the last bolt for the headlight. Down in here there's going to be 2 bolts and a couple of tabs, and then it should just pull away. I've not done it on this vehicle before, so we'll see how this goes. It's just loosening it up just a little bit. It's like a fork. So it goes like this. And you loosen it up and it just pops right out. Look at that. So really that wasn't that hard to get access to this thing. As usual, the easy way turns out to be the harder way. Now we just repeat and do the other side. So as you can see that old ones are on passenger side, new ones are on driver's side, are right. You can see a significant difference between the two, even though it's daytime. I can't wait to put this back together, get it on the road tonight, and see what the visibility when I'm driving at night with these things. All right, now it's time for reassembly. I would say it's going to be a breeze, but if I say that, it won't be a breeze. So this is going to be insanely difficult. Alright, done deal. All right, so that was the video of the installation. Went pretty well, I'd say. Not too difficult of a project. We'll get a video of it tonight just to give a good example of how they work compared to the old ones. And that's pretty much it. All right, so here we are. It's nighttime, so I finally had a chance to go for a drive and check out these new Boslla LED headlights. And I'm pretty impressed. They actually brighten up the experience quite a bit. Now, the one thing I noticed is when you put on the high beams, they don't actually seem too much brighter. I mean, it is a little bit. Here, we'll switch them again. But yeah, it's actually not that much brighter. It's possibly GM's fault with headlight assembly. I'm not really sure. I'll just throw out a quick thanks, GM. What a fantastic design. And just blame them, because that's how things go, right? Anyhow, I just wanted to thank Boslla for sending these out to try in my truck. I am very happy to have these in. And if you want to go ahead and check out their products, I'll drop a link in the description. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and make it a great day.